today I'm going to start with you the next chapter that is called application of trigonometry. This is an important chapter. So you need to practice this chapter. Application of trigonometry. Before discussing the concept of application of trigonometry, I'm going to discuss with you the two concepts. One concept is angle of elevation. What do you mean by angle of elevation? See, this is a person and this is the eye of the person. When this person sees in front of an object which is in front of this man or girl, this is called line of sight. जब हम सीधा देखते हैं parallel to the ground, this is called line of sight. This is the ground on which it is standing. This is the ground. And when we see an object parallel to the ground, this is called line of sight. अब जब ये कोई, there is a kite which is flying in a sky, or there's a bird which is in the sky. When this person want to see this kite.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. When this person want to see the kite, it makes certain angle with the line of sight. This angle is called theta. So when this person want to see an object which is above the line of sight, this is called angle of elevation. So this theta is called angle of elevation. So this is the angle between the line of sight as well as the line of the object. एक लाइन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट जो आदमी इसको देख रहा है और एक लाइन ऑफ साइट के साथ जो एंगल बनता है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. क्लियर? सो एन एंगल बिटवीन लाइन ऑफ साइट एंड लाइन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. This angle will always be above the line of sight. So this is called angle of elevation. इस कॉन्सेप्ट में किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम? हर्षित वर्मा?
No, sir.
No problem, sir.
So can you please tell what line of sight is again?
Okay. Line of sight is when an object when a person see an object which is in front of him or her, and this line is going parallel to the ground, this is called line of sight. Or you can say when your neck is straight and just you are watching an object which is in front of you, the line which touches your eyes as well as this object, this is called line of sight.
Okay, sir.
Next, angle of depression. अब देखिए एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन में क्या है. दिस इज अ बिल्डिंग and this person is standing here on a building, there is a person. Let this person, neck of the person is visible. This is a building. This is a ground. The car is moving on the ground. This is a car. This person is watching this car from the building. This is the line of sight of the person. So the angle between the line of sight as well as line of object, this is called angle of depression. So जब आप ऊपर से किसी को नीचे देखोगे, कहने का मतलब है जो एंगल लाइन ऑफ साइट के नीचे बनेगा उसको मैं एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन बोलूंगा, जो एंगल लाइन ऑफ साइट के ऊपर बनेगा उसको मैं एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन बोलूंगा. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. This is called angle of depression. So this is line of object. This is for your understanding. So angle of depression is toward down and angle of elevation is toward up. Any doubt or any confusion to any student in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
ठीक है. Dilpreet, is it clear?
Yes, sir. What you have just written at the side of the car?
This is line of sight. ये देखिए ना, ये जो पर्सन से कार की तरफ आ रहा है ये वाली लाइन, दिस इज कॉल्ड लाइन ऑफ साइट. And
Okay,
this theta is angle of depression. And this dotted line is called this is line of object, not sight. This is line of object. Line of object. This is line of sight.
Okay, sir.
I'm going to discuss with you the first example now from the NCERT. Example 1. A tower stands vertically on the ground. अब देखिए एक टॉवर है. This is a tower. It is standing on the ground. I'm going to write it as a AB, and this is a ground. So let it be tower. Because this is standing straight on the ground, so quite obvious this angle must be 90, and this is the ground. AC. From a point on the ground which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. So this is the foot of the tower. यहाँ से 15 मीटर दूर there is a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60. So that means कि यहाँ से जब वो ऊपर देखा उसने, angle of elevation में नीचे से ऊपर देखना, तो this angle is 60. Find the height of the tower. So I want to find out this h. So let h be the height of tower. मैंने इसको h ले लिया. Now find the height of the tower. तो मैंने इसको h ले लिया. अब जरा ध्यान दो. This base is given to me. I want to find out perpendicular h. That I know the relation between perpendicular and base is of 10. So in triangle ABC, AB upon AC is equal to tan 60. So the value of AB, this is H, the value of AC 15, tan under and tan 60 under root 3, under root 3 only. So cross multiply H is equal to 15 under root 3 meters. Therefore, height of the tower is बहुत ध्यान से इसको नोट करें. Therefore, height of the tower is I hope everyone has noted.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसमें किसी को कोई
Yes, sir.
कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं है?
No,
Any
no,
confusion?
sir.
Any
No, sir.
No, sir.
Got it.
No, sir.
Come to the next example. तो जैसे जैसे क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है आपको वैसे वैसे ही चलना है, ठीक है? स्लो लेकिन समझ गए. An electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 5 meter. देखिए ये पोल है, इसकी हाइट है 5 मीटर. दिस इज पोल. मैं इसको ए और बी ले लेता हूँ. Electrician has to repair. She need to reach a point 1.3 meter below the top. So let this be top. She has to reach a point which is 1.3 meter below. So 1.3 meter below, that means distance from B to A will be then 5 minus 1.3. That means this is 3.7. 3.7 and this complete is 5. So electrician has to reach at the point A 1.3 meter below the top. And she want to repair. What should be the length of the ladder that she should use? तो जाहिर सी बात है कि he will put a ladder on the ground like this. Let it be D. This is ladder. This is ground. Which is inclined at an angle of 60 degree. तो ये angle उसने दे दिया ground और ladder के बीच का. He has given me the angle between ground and ladder. This angle is 60 degree. Electrician has to repair a fault which is 1.3 meter below the top. So that means that from bottom to that point where the repair has to be done, it is 3.7 meter from the ground. And the total height is 5 meters. I want to calculate the length of the ladder. So length of the letter be x. So in triangle ABD, The relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse is of sine. So AC upon, sorry, AB upon AD, which is equal to sine theta. So the value of AB is 3.7. The value of AD I don't know, which is equal to sine theta, this is 60. So 3.7 upon AD is equal to under root 3 upon 2. So under root 3 is to AD is equal to 7.4, and AD is equal to 7.4 under root 3. Make it rationalize. So this is 7.4 under root 3 upon 3. So 3 is to 2, 3 is to 8. So which implies AD is equal to 2.8 under root 3 meters. Is 2.8 under root 3, this meter. So this is the question. So any doubt to any student, please, you are free to ask. Few students are noting, no issue. Try to note down the things very coolly. और इसको अंडरस्टैंड करने की जरूर कोशिश करो. चलो. I hope I can go to the next question.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
come to the next question. Example 3. An observer 1.5 meter tall. Now this is the observer. This is 1.5 meter tall. This is a ground. Is 25 meter away from the chimney. So that means that there is a chimney. Let the chimney be this. So it is 25 meter away. 28.5. 28.5 meter away. .5 meter away. The angle of elevation of the top of the chimney from her eyes is 45. So this is the top of the chimney. Angle of elevation. So line of sight. Clear? अब उसके आगे the angle of elevation of the top of the chimney from her eyes is 45. What is the height of the chimney? So let it be A, B, C, E, E. I want to find out the height. That means CE. Because what is the length of AB? The same length is of DE. So I'm going to write it as a 1.5. So to calculate height of chimney. अब जरा ध्यान देना. I'm going to change the color. I want to find out this length CD. ये वाली. Because this is already known to me 1.5. Okay. So ground is 28.5. So this line is also parallel to ground. So this is also 28.5. So if I will take the triangle BDC or CBD, so ACAE is 28.5. So BC is again 28.5. So in triangle CBD, perpendicular over base, this is equal to tan theta. So my perpendicular, I want to find out CD. My base is 28.5, tan 45 is the angle. Which implies CD is equal to 28.5, tan 45, it is 1. Which implies CD is equal to 28.5 meters. So I want to find out CE. So this is 28.5 plus 1.5, which is 30 meters. So which implies the height of the chimney is 30 meters. So this is about the question. इसको बहुत अच्छी तरह से एक बार देखो. Then we'll move to the next. Any doubt to any student in this question?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Anybody still noting?
No, sir, noted.
Great. So near what 16. So first 10 questions you will see from home as an homework. I'm going to discuss question number example 4 with you. So question number 1 to question number 10. On Monday, I will take the difficulties from first 10 questions, then I will do the next questions of the exercise. थोड़े से ज़्यादा typical हैं, तो मैं सोचता हूँ उसको मैं यहीं पे करूँगा. Now, come to example 4. From a point P on the ground, up see, figures are very important. This is the ground. There is a point P on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30. So there is a building which is a 10-meter tall. This angle of elevation with the building is 30. So this is building. This is ground. This is 30. A flag is hoisted on the top of the building. अब इस बिल्डिंग के ऊपर एक झंडा भी लगा हुआ है जो ये वाला ऐसा है. So this is a flag. On the building. चलो. This is a flag on the top of the building. Now he's saying a flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flag from point P is 45. तो ये वाला angle of elevation यहाँ तक के लिए ऐसा बोला हूँ. यहाँ तक के लिए this angle is 45. Initially it was 30 because flag के ऊपर चला गया तो ये तो PQ, let it be R, let it be S. So this is the height of the flag and this is the height of the building. So 10 meter is the height. Find the length of the flag and the distance of the building from the point P. So एक तो हमको ये D निकालना है और let it be X और एक X निकालना.
So, sir, first we will find out tan 45 and then tan 30.
देखते हैं बेटा अभी. So सबसे now the question is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Done. In triangle PRQ, मैं पहले छोटी ट्रायंगल ले रहा हूँ PRQ. Now height of the building is 10 and ground I want to find out. So I will make a relation between these two. RQ upon PQ is equal to tan 30. PQ is equal to 10 under root 3. So which implies distance of the point P from the foot of the building is 10 under 3 meters. This is the first one. Now, second part, I want to find out height of flag. This I want to find. So, in triangle SQP, SQ upon PQ is equal to tan 45, which implies the value of SQ. This is SR plus R2 upon PQ, tan 45, this is 1. So SR is X, PQ is 10, and this is again 10 under root 3, which is equal to 1. Cross multiply, which implies X plus 10 is equal to 10 under root 3. X is equal to 10 under root 3 minus 10. X is equal to 10 outside under root 3 minus 1 meter. So therefore, height of flag is I hope most of the students, this question is clear.
Yes, sir.
Great. So you can solve it a bit further by substituting the value of under root 3. We know that under root 3 is equal to 1.73. This is minus 1. So this is 0.73. So you can write it as a 7.3 meters.
Written, sir.
Well, still the students are looking, let them know.
Done, sir.
Great. So we have finished with the 4 examples. So quickly, I'm going to finish. Everyone still, anyone is noting still? या कोई बच्चा नोट कर रहा हो तो बता सकता है. Example 5, last example of today. So try to note it down quickly. The shadow of a tower standing on the level ground. अब देखिए, this is a ground, this is a tower. इसकी shadow जो है, that is on the ground, is found to be 40 meters longer when the sun's altitude is 30 than when it was 60. अब देखिए, when the sun's altitude is 60 means ऐसे एंगल बन रहा है, तो टावर की शेडो जो है वो 40 मीटर ज्यादा होगी जब एंगल 30 बन रहा है. देखिए, ये 30, ये 60, let it be D, and this is 40. Yeah. AB is a tower. The shadow of a tower is 40 minutes more when its altitude changes from 60 to 30 degree angle. Find the height of the tower. I want to find out. So let H be the height of the tower. Let h be the height of the tower. So in triangle ABD, ABD, AD upon BD is equal to tan 60. So AB is h, BD I want to find out tan 60. This is under root 3. So h is equal to under root 3 is to BD. So again, in triangle ABC, AB upon BC is equal to tan 30. AB is h. BC can be written as CD plus BD. Tan 30 1 over under root 3. So h upon CD 40 plus BD is equal to 1 over under root 30. Substitute the value of h here, under root 3 BD upon 40 plus BD is equal to 1 over under root 3. Cross multiply. Under root 3 multiply by this is 3 BD. 40 plus BD.